the end of the race?
Like say last 3 laps.
6 laps, you said?
3.
3. 10 play.
Sorry for lagging back, Jimmy.
Quite all right. I'm keeping an eye on you.
Hit that L button 24, you're blinking. Bedford, you got the draft?
Yeah, I got the draft. I'm just hanging back here.
I understand.
The wrecking.
What was that for? What was that? I think nothing crashed out of me.
Who caused that?
I just want to let you know, when you brake check going into a corner, when you still have room with a car in front of you, that's what happens.
It was no brake check. Hey, Edmund, did you see a brake check? I was right up on the bumper of a car and he let off.
Jimmy, that's 26 turn the guy. Hey, an Extreme Motorsports guy, what's going on?
Nobody's owning the crash, huh?
All I know is I got slammed behind and I didn't let off or nothing. Other than running over the guy ahead of me. And hit no brake. Got nailed. All I know is a green truck. That's all I see in my rear view is a green hood or something, bright green. Crate is off the damn motor.
Let's go, guys. Hold the line. Get back to the field.
It's off the motor.
Don't worry about me, buddy. Get it, you take it.
Rodney German was blocking, so I removed him.
Good job. Black truck going by.
What are you trying to do, actually?
Remove. My bad, Marcus. I had to run and then I couldn't go anywhere. Sorry. My bad. We're fine now.
Oh man, you guys gonna get by me?
Yes.
Friends, you might actually want to turn on the spotter to see that you're not there until you go out to the outside lane.
I don't know why one of you guys just didn't back off when you saw that car up high.
Clayton, who hit you?
26 is what got me to start with to get go, but it didn't look intentionally. It didn't pop my bumper. And
Sick. I don't know what that was. It looked like you checked up on my screen. I tried to hit the brake and I tapped you, and there's about nothing I could do at that point. And then there, the 3 made it 3 wide, and we were trying to keep it, and then a lap car came, and I had no room, and he just came across the hood.
yeah, I don't think 26 got me on purpose. On my replay, I was just trying to have a truck from the one in front of me. He just caught my bumper and took it and shot me up underneath the yellow line. Shot him right. Yeah, it didn't look like he tried to wreck me on purpose or something like that. I didn't let off the gas standing on the dash. On the replay. Barely perfect. Something up there told that. Same deal. Ain't no biggie.
Alright, that's what I thought. I felt bad about it, first of all, and second of all, I didn't know what the fuck was going on. It looked like you checked up on my screen, or either bumped or checked up, and I tried to check up before I hit you, and I barely tapped you, and it looked like it got you loose and just put you up onto the car and hit outside of you.
Yeah, it wasn't, it just shot me just barely below the yellow square enough to keep straight up the track. Just, I guess I was in the middle of everybody made an arrow tight or something. I don't know what happened. Yeah, it was no big deal. I didn't hear nobody else truck up.
Well, thank you both for explaining the crash. And 26, you get a pass. Thank you for defending yourself.
Come on, let's go.
What happened there, Jimmy? You just go out above the bush?
Tim was going to get blacklisted.
Really? That wouldn't happen if you guys keep trying to block.
Who's blocking, Gary?
It's 2 hard colors, 2 or 3 cars in front of you.
From what I saw in my rear view, they didn't even know they were spraying. They just got together.
So, Jeremy, you want to come back and give me a? Probably no POD in the end. Hold the line and let's go, Jimmy. I checked up so you can get in front of me so I can push you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, damage. I don't even know if I can catch a draft.
I'll give you plenty of room back here, 28.
Dion, get him behind me.
Well, they're not even racing up there. Might be the only one in the middle.
You know, you kick a couple of drivers out, and it's amazing how much the rest of the drivers start respecting
Do it, Vic, do it.
and behind him.
That usually works.
Back 28, so I give you a shot and turn and have the pistol, guys. And mess you up, did I?
I was ready. I got left side damage though. He's bouncing.
10-4.
28 going in this time by.
Painful. I got thinking I probably should have went in with you. You did some damage. I could have built up later upon you and gave you a draft partner coming out pit.
Yeah, there ain't enough left to do anything. We went 3 wide and Jimmy got a little bit of a push and it just didn't end well. I bounced off him and then bounced one off and bounced off the high side guy too. It's alright though. Nothing to be mad over. Racing deal.
Appreciate the host there. Too.
Sir, thank you for waiting.
It's been the best days. Damn cousin of town did last night. I was just up fast. Found out early this morning. One of them days, trying to keep my mind off of empty town racing.
Awesome! Brings her home P2. Thanks to push 9. It's enough.
Thanks to the host, Jimmy.
You're welcome, sir. Want to thank all of you for racing with me.
Yeah, thanks for the host, Jimmy. Appreciate it, buddy.
Hey, Jimmy, have you ever raced the Cadillacs here?
No, sir. The only things I've run so far is K&N, this truck, and the D12.
Good one, Shane. I appreciate it, Scott.
On YouTube, they can get crazy. They can go 4 or 5 wide.
These only go 1 wide by the looks of it.
You did a good job, Jimmy, coming up to behind us. That was a good run tonight. Like I say, I'll be back on about 10 o'clock Central. When Jimmy calls it quits, he'll call over and get me up. I appreciate each and every one of you. I hope you guys had fun.
Jimmy, you need to write, what's that boy's name? Jeremy Funk's name down and watch him, 97. He caused 2 crashes in the last 2 laps.
Yeah, 10-4. Jimmy's got to get his dang blacklist over to me. Yeah, no. He'll just go flat on the blacklist, and just like that 47 guy, I knew he was trouble before it even got started.
Thank you, Mr. Jimmy.
Thank you, Scott. Thank you, all of you drivers. I'm just so happy that you run with me. I thank you.
Well, thank you for hosting, Jimmy. See you maybe later on tonight.